guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to create an easy yet very beautiful makeup look now for the fall. And to be honest, it has been like my go makeup look now for the last couple of weeks, just for the reason because it's very easy to create. I don't use a bunch of products to achieve it. I don't do a heavy contour. There's no baking involved, and I believe it is a makeup look that everyone can follow and wear. You will still be looking very beautiful, natural, glowy, and you know, all the package. Okay, so let's begin with the makeup. So the first thing that I will be using is some primer, and I have been using lately this one from Milk. I like the fact that it comes in a stick and it's super easy to apply, and I love this. Also the formula, it's great. It makes your skin very soft to the touch, and it kind of blurs, you know, any imperfections that you might be having. Now obviously I will go with some eye cream because I'm very dry around the eye area, and by using an eye cream it will make you know, the application of my concealer a lot easier for me. And I'm gonna go and use the Charlotte Tilbury eye cream. Nothing too crazy there. And now I'll go right into the foundation, and I'm gonna use this one by Santé. And I'm in the shade 03. You can find it in every drugstore, at least here in Europe. And I'm gonna use my finger just to spread it all over my face, and don't forget the neck. Actually very insane how natural this foundation looks like. It's also buildable, but it has a light to medium coverage. So if you're looking for a super heavy coverage, then this foundation might not work for you, but it is perfect if you like having a more natural, you know, everyday look. Now I'm gonna go and use some concealer, and it's going to be again from Santé, and I'm having the number 01, and I'm gonna put some dots here on the eye area, and then with my finger I'll just blend that out. Now, because I'm very oily, I'm going to use some pressed powder, and I'm gonna take this one by Estee Lauder, and this one is the number 02 light to medium, and I like to use a big face brush. This one is by BH Cosmetics. I believe this is the V1, and I'm gonna take some of the product, tap the excess off, and then just press it down to my face. Okay, so this should do it, and I always bring it down to my neck, and much better. Okay, now for the brows, I'll just brush them up. I'm not gonna do anything on them, but feel free to, you know, do your brows the way you are used to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to move to the eyes, and I will use this multi-purpose soothing balm by Dr. Pow Pow, and it has like a beautiful brownish color. Gonna take some of that here into my finger and apply it to my eyelid, and then with an eyeshadow brush I'll just, you know, just blend everything and make it look beautiful and not messy as it is at this point. I'm gonna bring it slightly here to my brow bone. It's so easy to blend it, and it gives a beautiful wet look. Now I'm gonna go and use a little bit of bronzer, and I'm taking this palette from Charlotte Tilbury, Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I will use a medium size face brush, again BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take the bronzer from this palette and just apply just a tiny bit here on the cheek hollows, bringing everything upwards here to my forehead. Just give a beautiful bronzy look. But don't forget to keep everything very natural. We don't want to have any, you know, heavy contour or anything like that. Okay, so now next will be the cheeks, and I like to go with something very natural, and for that I will use this Dream Matte Blush from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Mauve Intrigue number 40, and I will use a blush brush, and I'm taking the Zoeva one. Just take some of this product and put it here to the apples of my cheeks, and bringing it upwards. Want to make everything, you know, like super lifted looking. For the lashes, I will use again another Sante product, this mascara. I'm just being obsessed lately with this mascara from them. It's my go-to favorite. Makes your lashes super, you know, like full looking, but at the same time very natural, you know, long looking. I wore this mascara also in the summer. I believe it was like mid August, and I was really impressed. You know, I was sweating and all that stuff, and I was really impressed when I saw that. You know, I mean, my face was literally melting off from the heat, but the mascara was on my lashes. It wasn't all over my eyes. It's just perfect. You know, I'm totally obsessed with this one, and if you guys have the opportunity to try it out, then please do it and let me know in the comments below what you think. But I'm pretty sure you'll be like very amazed. Now on the lips, I will use this lipstick from Got to Be. This is the Very Berry shade. Beautiful, appropriate color now for the season, but obviously not only. So I'm gonna go and apply this. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this look, if you like it, and you know, if it's something that you would like to try out. Let me know in the comments below. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.